Hi. So we need large set of tools. We need to install FLARE VM. Just follow my step by step how to install FLARE VM. First, you need to download this one. Download this file and copy this to C drive. Here, copy the file and you need to unzip this file. Extract all. So the file is extracted. You need to follow few steps. First one, you need to disable antivirus and window update. Just I can tell you how to do. You just need to go in run here. You need to type edit in gpedit.msc. Go here. It will open like this. You need to go administrative. From here, administrative template. From there, you need to go window component. Window component here. You need to find window update. Just here, window update. Double click here. You need to go again. Window update. From there, you need to double click configuration automatic update. Configuration auto double click this one. Okay, and then you need to disable this one. Disable, click OK. This one is solved. Next one, you need to uninstall, uh, uninstall. You need to uninstall any antivirus. You need to uninstall any antivirus because antivirus can block the script if you have installed any antivirus. After that, you need to disable window depender. That also you can do here. Window depender. Window depender. You just double click here. Double click here, real time protection. Double click. From here, turn off real time protection. Just disable. Click OK, and then it is good to go. Next step, you need to disable this one unrestricted. Okay, you need to disable this one unrestricted. After these three steps completed, just open PowerShell. You need to run as administrator. You need to go to C drive. cd dot dot cd dot. I'm going back on drive. Yes. And then you need to do dir. From dir, after that you need to cd flar vm, go inside. Just you need to do dot slash in install dot ps1. Just enter. So all the tools will be implemented. All the tools will be are installed. All the tools will be installed one by one from below using below step. Okay, after that, if you see, you can see like editor, you can see boot starter, you can see, and then power hacker, PE weaver, process weaver, power hacker 2. So these are the tools while installed. You see, still my script is running. After you rebooted, all the tools will come like this. After installed my script for FLARE VM, we get a desired result. I can show you.
See, it will show your VM as setup has been completed. So you can see this one, it is finished. So from here you can see that the VM, all the setup has been completed, all the tools has been installed. See, these are the tools installed. You can see what are the tools installed here, and then you can see that output here. So from using this tool, for us easy to analyze malware. From next video we can do that one. So this is one. So please review. You can see for any package related issue you need to submit here. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more info related for ethical hacking and pen testing.